subscribe to our channel. Midlife is a pivotal stage where many individuals find themselves at the crossroads of financial decisions. It's a time to take stock of your financial situation, plan for retirement, make smart investments, and manage any outstanding debts. In this video, we will discuss the crucial financial considerations during midlife and offer practical advice to secure your financial future. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is a cornerstone of financial security during midlife and beyond. Here's how to get started. Assess your retirement needs, calculate how much you'll need for retirement, factoring in living expenses, healthcare, and potential long-term care. Maximize retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, taking full advantage of employer matches and tax benefits. Diversify investments. Diversification can help manage risk. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and other investments in your portfolio. Consider delaying Social Security. Delaying Social Security benefits can lead to higher monthly payouts when you eventually claim them. Investments and wealth building. Smart investments can help grow your wealth over time. Consider these investment strategies. Review your portfolio, assess the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed. Explore tax-efficient investments. Consider tax-advantaged accounts and investments to minimize tax implications. Consult a financial advisor. Seek guidance from a financial advisor to make informed investment decisions aligned with your goals. Managing debt. Debt management is vital for financial well-being. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying down high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, to reduce interest costs. Consolidate or refinance. Explore options for consolidating or refinancing loans to lower interest rates and simplify payments. Create a repayment plan. Establish a clear repayment plan to systematically reduce and eliminate debt. Emergency fund and insurance. An emergency fund and insurance are crucial safeguards. Build an emergency fund. Maintain a savings cushion for unexpected expenses to avoid accumulating more debt. Review insurance coverage. Ensure your insurance policies, including health, life, and disability insurance, provide adequate coverage for your current needs. Estate planning. Estate planning is essential for protecting your assets and ensuring your wishes are carried out. Draft a will. Create a will to outline your wishes for asset distribution. Designate beneficiaries. Review and update beneficiary designations on accounts and insurance policies. Consider a trust. Depending on your estate's complexity, a trust may provide additional benefits. Long-term care and healthcare costs. Factor in potential long-term care needs. Long-term care insurance. Explore long-term care insurance to help cover future care costs. Health Savings Account, HSA. Contribute to an HSA to prepare for healthcare expenses in retirement. Navigating the financial landscape during midlife is both a challenge and an opportunity. By diligently planning for retirement, making informed investment choices, managing debt, maintaining an emergency fund, and addressing insurance and estate planning, you can secure your financial future. Midlife is a prime time to create a robust financial strategy that will serve you well into your retirement years and beyond.